Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma and in this session we talk about the subject fluid mechanics and I present here 75 most important MCQs with related fluid mechanics. So let's get starting. Here first question, center of pressure on an inclined plane is. So correct answer is option C, below the centroid. Next question. The time oscillation of a floating body with increase in metacentric height will be. So correct answer is option C, lower. Next question. In an immersed body, center of pressure is. So correct answer is option C, below V, center of the gravity. Next question. For measuring flow of the venturimeter, if should be installed in. So correct answer is option C, in any direction and in any location. Next question. Hot wire anemometer is used to measure. So correct answer is option D, gas velocities. Next question. Rotameter is a device used to measure. So correct answer is option C, flow. Next question. Flow of water in a pipe about 3 meters in a diameter can be measured by. So correct answer is option D, pilot tube. Next question. An ideal flow of any fluid must satisfy. So correct answer is option D, continuity equation. Next question. In the case of the steady flow of a fluid, the acceleration of any fluid particle is. So correct answer is option C, 0. Next question. During the opening of a valve in a pipeline, the flow is. So correct answer is option B, unsteady. Next question. Uniform flow occur when. So correct answer is option C, that is size and shape of the cross section in a particular length remain constant. Next question. Gradually varying flow is. So correct answer is option C, steady non-uniform. Next question. The flow which neglected change in a transverse direction is known as. So correct answer is option A, one-dimensional flow. Next question. The flow which can liquid particles has a definite path and their path do not cross each other is called. So correct answer for this question is option D, that is streamline flow. Next question. The nominal size of the discharge pipe of a pump is usually dash the nominal size of the inlet pipe. So correct answer is option B, smaller than. Next question. The velocity profile for turbulent flow through a closed conduit is. So correct answer is option C, that is logarithmic. Next question. With increased flow rate, the hydraulic efficiency of a centrifugal pump. So correct answer is option D, that is monotonically decreases. Next question. If the discharge of a centrifugal pipe is throttled, then its section lift. So correct answer is option A, that is increases. Next question. The most commonly used joint in the undergroove pipe line is the. So correct answer is option C, that is self joint. Next question. Dash denote the effect of compressibility in the fluid's flow. So correct answer is option A, that is Mach number. Next question. Molten soap mass is transported by a dash pump. So correct answer is option C, that is gear. Next question. Foot valve provided in the pump are dash valve. So correct answer is option C, that is directional control. The normal range of exit cone angle of the venturimeter is. So correct answer is option B, 7 to 15. Next question. The laminar flow of a nutrient fluid ceases to exist when the Reynolds number exceeds. So correct answer is option D, 2100. Next question. When the momentum of one fluid is used to moving another fluid, such a device is called. So correct answer is option A, jet pump. Next question. Mercury is often used to barometer vehicles. So option D is correct, and it states both B and C, and B statement is the height of barometer will be less, and C state it vapor pressure is so low that it may be neglected. Next question. Barometer is used to measure. So correct answer is option B. The height of the barometer will be less. Next question. Dash can be used for a measuring speed of the submarine moving in a deep sea. So correct answer is option D. That is pitoid tube. Next question. An instrument can be used for measuring speed of the aeroplane. So correct answer is option A, that is venturimeter. Next question. In our isothermal atmosphere, the pressure, so correct answer for this question is option C, varies in the same way as the density. Next question. The atmospheric pressure with rise in altitude decreases. So correct answer is option B, firstly slow and then steeply. Next question. The pressure of the order of 10 to power of torque can be measured by. So correct answer is option D, that is ionization gases. Next question. The pressure of the order of the 10 to power torque can be measured by the ionic gases. Next question. The operation of the McLeod gas used for low pressure measurement is based on the principle of. So correct answer is option B, that is Boyle's law. Next question. The specific weight of a sea water is more than that pure water because it contains. So correct answer is option D, all of this. Means here dissolution A, dissolved salt and suspended matter. Next question. Free surface of a liquid tends to the contract to the smallest possible area due to force of. So correct answer is option A, that is surface tension. Next question. Falling drops of water because the surface due to of the property of. So correct answer is option C, that is surface tension. Next question. A liquid would wet the solid if the adhesive forces as compared to the cohesive forces are. So correct answer is option B, that is more. Next question. The point in the immersed body through the which of the resultant pressure of the liquid may be taken to act is known as. So correct answer is option B, center of pressure. Next question. The resultant upward pressure of the fluid on the immersed body is called. So correct answer is option B, that is buoyancy. Next question. The condition for the stable equilibrium of a floating body are. So option D is correct, means all of the above are correct. And options are option A, the matter center should lie above the center of the gravity. Option B, the center of the buoyancy and the center of the gravity must be lies on the same vertical lines. And option C, the right-hand couple should be formed. Next question. If W is the specific weight of the liquid and K depth of any point from the surface, then the pressure intensity at that point will be. So correct answer is option B, that is WH. Next question. The unit of kinematic viscosity are. So correct answer is option A, that is meter square per second. Next question. Dash is the unit of kinematic viscosity. So option C is correct, that is Stokes is the correct answer. The alcohol is used to the manometers because. So option D is correct. It can provide longer column due to a low density. Next question. A one-dimensional flow is one which. So correct answer is option D, that is involve zero transverse component of flow. Next question. When a body floating in a liquid, it displaces slightly. It oscillates about. So correct answer is meta center, option D. Next question. Ratio of inertia force to surface tension is known as. So correct answer is option D, Weber's number. Next question. Unit force is. So option D is correct, the resultant force on a body due to the fluid surrounding it. Next question. The ratio of inertia forces to elastic force is known as. So correct answer is option A, that is Mach number. Next question. The terminal velocity of a particle moving through a fluid varies dPn. What is the value of the ND for the Newton's regime? So correct answer is option A, that is 0.5. Next question. The nominal size of the discharge pipe of the pipe is usually dash the nominal size of the inlet pipe. So correct answer is option A, smaller than. Next question. The fluid property due to which mercury does not wet the glass is. So correct answer is option A, that is surface tension. Next question. The property of virtue of which a liquid opposes relative motion between its different layer is called. So option C is correct, that is your viscosity. Next question. A wave is said to be narrow crested wave if the width of the crest is the where is dash has the height of the water above the where is crest. So option B is correct, that is less than. Next question. When a body floating in a liquid, its displacement slightly is oscillation about. So correct answer is option D, metacenter. Next question. The pressure of the liquid flowing through a divergent portion of the venturimeter. So correct answer is option C, decreases. Next question. When the Mach number is between the dash flow is called supersonic flow. So option D is correct, that is 1 and 6. Next question. In an immersed body, center of the pressure. So option C is correct, that is below of the center of gravity. Next question. A flow is called supersonic if the. So option C is correct, that is Mach number is between 1 and 6. Next question. In a forced vortex, the velocity of the flow everywhere within the fluid is. So option D is correct, that is non-zero finite. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct? So option D is correct, that is the absolute roughness increases with time. Next question. The speed of the pressure wave through a pipe depends upon. So option C is correct, the bulk modulus for a fluid. Next question. If the elevation of the hydraulic red line at the junction of three pipes is about the elevation of the reverser B and C and above reverser A, the direction of the flow will be. So option C is correct, from reservoir C to reservoir A and B. Next question. A notch is used to measure dash of the liquid. So option B is correct, that is discharge. Next. Euler number is the ratio of dash forces to the pressure forces. So option A is correct, that is inertia forces. Next question. A flow in which the volume of a fluid and its density does not change during the flow is called a flow. So option A is correct, that is incompressible. Next question. The weight per unit volume of a liquid at a standard temperature and pressure is called. So option A is correct, that is specific weight. The flow of water through the hole in the bottom of wash basin is an example of. So option C is correct, that is free vortex. Next question. A flow in which the viscosity of the fluid dominating over the inertia force is called. So option C is correct, that is laminar flow. Next question. The value of the coefficient of discharge is dash the value of the coefficient of velocity. So option A is correct, that is less than. Next question. The hydraulic mean depends for a circular pipe of the diameter D is. So option B is correct, that is D by 4. Next question. A flow whose streamline is represented by a straight line is called. So option A is correct, that is one-dimensional flow. Next question. The body will float if the force of the buoyancy is the weight of the liquid. So option A is correct, that is equal to. Next. Now this question is a handy. I hope you understand all the questions. If you have any queries, so please comment me. Thank you for watching. जय हिंद, जय भारत.